y'all. Today, get this. My parents aren't home, and I know I'm a mess, but I got an idea from a user called ChiWithAC. That's C-H-I with a C. Right? Got that? Okay. Now, since my parents aren't home, I'm going to be replacing all of our family photos in the living room with pictures of Rick Astley, you know, the guy that they're never gonna give you up. Yeah, I know, stupid, but yeah, that's what I'm gonna be doing today. So now the first thing you're gonna need is a ruler, and then you're obviously gonna need some blank paper and your trusty dusty printer with sugar on it. She's a beauty, isn't she? Next, you're gonna wanna turn on your computer. I'm not gonna show my computer because the desktop is super embarrassing. Let's see. There we go. And then you're gonna wanna type in.
You know the rules, and so do I. I just wanna tell you how I'm feeling. Gotta make you understand. Never gonna give you up, never gonna let you down, never gonna roll around and desert you.
Toby!
Never gonna let you down.
I'm still waiting for it to download. Boy! Wow. I expected the video to stop, but I missed the button. Isn't that funny? Okay. It's 5 minutes later, and it still won't save. So I'm just gonna have to... I guess I'm gonna have to draw Rick Astley. Measure out. Oh. My ruler's upside down. Isn't that fun? Hey kids, this is what not to do at home. Okay? Do not hold the scissors like this. Okay. 3.5 inches. Cool. Oh my god. That could have been very, very bad. Thank God it wasn't. Picture number 1. Complete. I've been here for way longer than I really should have been. But that's okay, you know? I'm just living my life, I guess. Why isn't this... Oh, I see. Right. Okay. Go to angieslist.com today. Hashtag non-response, because nobody knows who I am. That's okay. Is it okay? I don't know. I guess it's better that people at school don't know about this channel. No, I don't guess it's better. I know it's better. Ooh, okay. Picture number 2. Look at that. My mom's gonna be so mad at me. Update, my parents just got home, and I'm not even halfway done with it. Panicking. All right, children, we're back on track, and I'm replacing the picture of our cat with this. So, yeah. I had to delete like everything in my phone to make this video. So again, I'm gonna say thank you, ChiWithAC with I don't know how to do letters, but ChiWithAC for the idea. This is going on very long now, so I'm just gonna stop here. So thanks to the very few people who watched. Really, there's not many of you. And if people at school find this, my life is over. But thanks for dealing with my low quality crap. Okay, thanks, bye.